Slime part 2. So far so good. Now it looks like a lot of dough. But honestly, it'll start to form up like a bunchy of goop. In about a day, maybe overnight, a couple hours, it'll start to turn into goop.
If you keep on mixing it.
If you keep mixing it. If you let it sit out, it will harden up, and that's just the way things are.
That's
so
why I got a jar.
So I would keep it in a mason jar like so, or a pickle jar. Anything you have that's basically sealed and up, and that'll keep the air capacitated inside. As you can see, it's starting to form. Erica decided she was going to make a bunch. But
Erica, Emily,
you can make this with flour, dish detergent, and water.
Can you video it for me? I need to try to open this pickle jar.
All you really have to do is just get those main ingredients and form. If you want to use other ingredients, you can use glue and dish detergent or laundry detergent. It works the same way. It forms up and it smells really good. I wouldn't use a bunch of dish detergent only because if you do, it'll be very sticky and bubbly.
That might be a pickle.
So, yeah, that's part 2.
So
Anything else you want to say, Erica?
It's coming together. Please subscribe.
Yeah, and please subscribe. Thanks.
And leave a thumbs up below.
Yeah, and leave a thumbs up below. Thank you and goodbye.